Are you looking to make your Facebook Reels go viral? Well, you're in luck. Here are 10 essential tips that will give your Reels the boost they need to reach a wider audience. First and foremost, make sure your content is of the highest quality. Ensure your videos have clear visuals and audio that captivate your viewers from the start. Next, grab attention with catchy titles and taglines. Use creative and attractive wording that entices viewers to click and watch your Reels. Following trends is crucial. Participate in popular challenges and trends to stay relevant and connected with your audience. Keep your videos short and engaging. Ideally, aim for videos that are between 15-30 seconds long. This will hold your viewers' attention and leave them wanting more. Music is a powerful tool in engaging viewers. Incorporate trending songs into your Reels to enhance viewer engagement and create a memorable experience. Don't forget about hashtags. Use relevant hashtags to reach the right audience. This will help your Reels get discovered by people who are interested in what you have to offer. Timing is everything. Post your Reels at times when your target audience is most active online. This will maximize your chances of getting views, comments, and shares. Make it a point to encourage interaction. Motivate your viewers to comment, share, and like your content. Engagement is key to boosting the visibility and virality of your Reels. Variety is the spice of life, and the same goes for your Reels. Create diverse content types such as tutorials, funny clips, or informational videos. This will cater to different interests and broaden your audience reach. Last but not least, consistency is key. Upload regularly to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. This will also signal to the algorithm that you're an active and valuable content creator. By following these 10 tips, you'll increase the chances of your Facebook Reels going viral. So go ahead, put them into action, and watch your Reels soar to new heights.